doors, open at speed. It's time to help. Lots of vehicles in need. Spinning screwdrivers, mechanicals. Our friends all have flat tyres. Oh dear, sounds like the vehicles are tired of waiting. Oh, nuts and bolts! I've never had to fit so many tyres this fast. Speaking of fast tyres, that sounds like Grandma!
There's my little Gecky, with a very big job to do.
How did you know?
The dear little blue one let me know. It's okay to ask for help sometimes.
Thank you both.
Happy to help, just as you've always helped me and everyone else. Now then, kids, let's get organised.
Go, go, Grandma! Right, mechanicals, I have an idea.
You've been practising, Gecky.
I learned from the best.
Come again soon, dear.
Thanks, Grandma. I'd never tire of working with you.
And you never tire of your jokes either. Now, who's hungry?
You deserve a rest, Grandma.
But I brought your favourite, Grandma's apple pie.
Oh,